try natin tong stranger staircase na to. Yung hagdan na pag umakyat ka, doon ko pa rin lalabas sa pinanggalingan mo. Try natin.
Located in Building 7, one of the first structures put up when RIT made the move from downtown Rochester to suburban Henrietta. The stairwell, designed by Filipino architect Rafael Nelson Aboganda, was built in 1968 and has been wowing RIT students ever since. But what I want you to do is just walk up the stairs and wait for me on the next floor. Just go.
Pinatry niyo to sa isang babae.
That's it?
Oh, sinamahan pa ng cameraman ha. Pero pag ikot niya, doon pa rin yung lalabas sa sa pinanggalingan. Pag-akyat niya, di ba? Pag-akyat ulit siya. Oh.
Rosie!
Bumaba ulit, bumaba. Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari, pero yun yung yun yung tag dito, yun yung nangyayari pagka dumadaan ka doon sa hagdan na yan. Pero hindi ko maano kung anong pangalan nung architect na nag-design, pero Pilipino siya. Rafael Nelson Aboganda, siya pala yung architect nun. Galing, Filipino designer. Nag-design pero sulit.